Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. In today's video, I'm going to explain a little complex subject which is called astigmatism. You've gone to get your eyes checked, okay? Now when you went to get your eyes checked, that optical person told you you have a number which is so and so at so and so axis. What do you mean by axis? So much confusion. Do I have a number for distance? Do I have a number for near? And what is the meaning of this axis? Figure not, I'll tell you. When you look at any object, okay, you're supposed to see the object sharp and in a straight line. So if it's a letter A, this is what you see. If you have a cylindrical number, all it means that the shape of your eye, instead of being spherical like a football, is elongated like a soccer ball. Okay, you know the difference in a football and a soccer ball. Now because it is a soccer ball, it is extended in one direction, so the A that you see like that, a normal A, would look to an astigmatic person as a tilted A, this way or this way, one stick of it sharper, one stick a little blurred. Whatever I may try, I won't be able to form a sharp focus on the retina. This is a unique problem which is related with the shape of the eye. It is by birth. It is genetic. What we need to do is, you have to go to an ophthalmologist. They will put drops for you, dilate you, check the number in two axes, find out, because this is a little complicated, and then give you a numbered prescription which will be your number plus or minus with a particular axis. You can the treatment options vary from glasses to contact lenses to surgical and laser options. You have to make these glasses from a reputed optical store, because everything depends on the axis number fitting. If the fitting is good, your image will be sharp. If the fitting is not good, your image will not be as sharp. Glasses would be a regular glasses that you can use. Try to go for something which has a full frame and a little larger in size, so that the axis fitting is good. When you wear your glasses, wear them with both hands. When you remove them with both hands, and don't fling them around here or there, as that would change the axis of your number, reducing your sharpness. You can wear lenses, contact lenses, which would be a toric contact lenses that you need to wear, which have the cylinder number incorporated into them. When you get a cataract in future and you go in for a surgery for that, you need to go in for a toric intraocular lens implant. This will give you the best corrected visual acuity for far, because this incorporates your cylinder number also into your lens number. And yes, you can also go in for a laser surgery. The laser surgery that we spoke about in the previous video, that can be done with an astigmatic profile correction, so that you have sharp vision. So these are your options, and I hope you understood what is the difference between a regular number and a cylinder number. So don't panic, it's all okay, and get yourself treated. All the best.